Here we have my new and improved game, and what I've done, as I've said I would do, is I've actually moved what's in the rucksack. As you can see, what I've done is I've moved the rucksack contents and the rucksack list to this section here. So I don't know if you've done the same. You can choose where you want to put it, but I thought it would make sense to have them put their name in first, welcome them to the game, and then tell them what they had in their rucksack. What I've also done is I've added in another layer, another sort of line here, where I've actually told them you have a rucksack with you. It contains the following, and then it lists what's in the rucksack. What I feel we need here is I think we actually need a pause in here somewhere, and I'll show you why. If I click on play, it says type in your adventurer's name. I'm going to type in Gary. And when I press enter, what you'll see is it quickly zoots down, and I've got here, you have a rucksack with you, but we've missed something off here. Welcome, Gary, to the Garthy Gloom of Door Adventure. Okay, so instead of it giving me a chance to read, it's just shot me down to the first thing that needs to be displayed. So I'm going to be putting a pause in there. I'd like you to do the same. So I've just stopped the program from running, and we're going to put in a pause. Now, do you remember how to put in a pause? Can you give that a go now? And when you join me in the next video, we'll go through it together, just in case you're not sure. So have a go at that now.